Welcome to our channel. In this video, we are taking you on a journey to the divine Sri Jagannath Temple, located at YSR Colony, IDA Bolaram, Hyderabad, near ORR Exit 4. Temple timings. Times morning, 5:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. Times afternoon, 4:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Times Sandhya Aarti, performed daily at sunset. Times rope timings, offered twice daily, at 12:30 p.m. and 8 p.m. This temple, built in the architectural style of the Puri Jagannath Temple, stands as a testament to years of dedicated efforts and generous contributions from countless devotees. Here, the deities Lord Jagannath, Lord Balbhadra, Devi Subhadra, and the Sudarshan Chakra are worshipped daily following the traditional rituals and customs of Puri. Various significant festivals and ceremonies associated with the Lord are celebrated with great devotion throughout the year. Visitors to this sacred place receive Mahaprasad, which can be enjoyed at the temple or taken home for friends and family. The Holy Rath Yatra or Chariot Festival of Mahaprabhu is celebrated annually with immense enthusiasm and grandeur. Devotees from Hyderabad and its surrounding areas gather in large numbers to witness this auspicious event. Over time, this sacred spot has come to be lovingly referred to as the Shri Kshetra Bolaram or the Jagannath Dham of Bolaram. A journey of devotion and growth. With the generous support of devotees from Hyderabad and across India, a small temple was constructed in 2011. Over time, the site evolved into a center for Jagannath culture, hosting various seminars and workshops. Distinguished scholars from Hyderabad and other parts of the country have graced these events. In November 2018, after years of effort, a larger temple was constructed, and new idols were ceremoniously installed. Eminent priests from Puri chanted Vedic hymns and performed elaborate rituals and yagnas to sanctify the occasion. Architectural highlights and future plans. Like the Aruna Stambha at the entrance of Puri Jagannath Temple, the Sri Jagannath Temple at Bolaram also features an Aruna Stambha at its main gate. As you ascend the 22 steps, you encounter the Garuda Stambha in front of the main temple. Inside, you pass through the Jaga Mohan Temple and Bhog Mandap before reaching the main sanctum, where the divine idols of Lord Jagannath, Lord Balbhadra, Devi Subhadra, and the Sudarshan Chakra radiate their divine presence. Plans are underway to construct additional side temples, Paraswa Mandir, around the main temple, dedicated to Lord Ganesha, Mahavir Hanuman, Ma Bimala, Ma Lakshmi, and Lord Shiva. Additionally, the temple complex will include a Yagna Mandap, Snan Bedi, Koili Bakuntha, and a Bata Mangla temple. Facilities like a temple kitchen for preparing Mahaprasad, an Ananda Bazaar where devotees can relish the sacred offering, and a puja material shop are also being developed. Festivals and ceremonies. All the major festivals observed at the Puri Jagannath Temple are also celebrated here with the same zeal and devotion. These include Snana Purnima, Rath Yatra, Gundicha Yatra, Jhulan Yatra, Balbhadra Jayanti, Rakhi Purnima, Shri Krishna Janmashtami, Ganesh Puja, Durga Puja, Lakshmi Puja, Bhagavad Saptaha, Rasa Purnima, Saraswati Puja, Shivratri, Dol Purnima, Ram Navami, and Rukmini Vivaha. Each festival is celebrated with immense fervor, drawing large numbers of devotees to the temple. Personalized rituals. At the request of devotees, the temple also organizes personalized ceremonies such as Satyanarayan Puja, Rudrabhishek, Namkaran Utsav, Anna Prasanna, Mahaprasad Nirbandha, Jalbhisheka, Sundarkand Path, Tulsi Seva, Hanuman Chalisa Path, thread ceremony, and marriages. If you're looking to experience the divinity and traditions of the Puri Jagannath temple right here in Hyderabad, this is the perfect destination for you. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it informative, please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos.